Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the free alternatives that you can get for the ExitLag. So the first one that you can actually find is a ping enhancer. So this is the first one that you can check out. And what is this tool about? I don't know if it's going to actually work for Windows 11, by the way. So it's a small Windows-based program which will reduce your latency by increasing the frequency of the TCP package acknowledgements sent to the game server. So this is something that you can actually check out. Now the next one is a Lertrix latency fix. This is another one that you can also check out, and you can download it, but it's still not really just popular. And the next one that also we can check out is a Razer Cortex. This is another one that you can check out. Maybe it's going to be beneficial for you. So can help you maximize FPS, automatically boost the system, disable CPU sleep mode, customize settings manually. So limitations are you have FPS system optimization only, no network routing or service selection, doesn't reduce ping via rerouting. So that's another one that you can check out. And also the Wise Game Booster. This is another one that you can check out. So this one, close unnecessary processes, optimize system services, one-click game mode, very lightweight, but the limitations are the system optimization only, no network routing, no ping reduction through the servers. And another one that you can check out is actually the Smart Game Booster. So driver updates, graphic card overclocking, temperature monitoring, game mode, but it doesn't not focus on network routing, and it's FPS focus, not ping reduction through the servers. So these are the primary it. And of course you can pay per traffic. You can also check the Mudfish. This is the one that you can also check out. Maybe it's going to be beneficial. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.